Understanding, like peas in a pod, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom that paints a vivid picture of similarity and closeness, like peas in a pod. This phrase is not only charming but also encapsulates a rich meaning in just a few words. Join me as we delve into its origins, meanings, and how you can use it to enrich your English conversations. Like peas in a pod is an idiom used to describe two or more people or things that are very similar to each other, especially in appearance or behavior. Imagine opening a pod and finding peas that look almost identical. This visual is the essence of the comparison. The phrase suggests a closeness or kinship that is unmistakable and often endearing. The origins of "like peas in a pod" trace back to a time when agriculture and daily observations of nature played a significant role in shaping language. This idiom has been in use for centuries, with its imagery rooted in the simple act of observing peas in their natural state, snugly fitting inside a pod, almost identical in size and shape. It's a testament to how language evolves from the world around us. Using "like peas in a pod" in conversation can add a layer of richness and imagery. It's perfect for describing close friendships or relationships. My sister and I are like peas in a pod, always together and similar in so many ways. Highlighting similarities between objects or ideas. These two theories are like peas in a pod, with only minor differences between them. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a useful addition to your English idiom repertoire. We hope this exploration of "like peas in a pod" has not only enriched your understanding of this idiom but also inspired you to see the beauty in the English language's figurative expressions. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to convey complex ideas and relationships in just a few words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Thanks for joining, and see you in our next video.